Hare Om, Namaskaraha. So this is the promo video for the new course from Sanskrit.today, that is Bhasha Pravesha. So this is mainly for the beginners, those who are willing to start learning the Sanskrit language. They can definitely join this course and benefit from here. Okay, this course starts from 22nd April 2021, that is on Thursday. The prerequisites for this course is simply nothing. All you need is just an interest to learn something new or some new language and a determination to complete that successfully. So all you need is you need you can do it mindset. And remaining all are actually structured in this course to make you familiar with the language with all the basics needed. So with that, let's discuss a few highlights of this course and maybe the few other things which you need to do for getting into the course. The definitely first one to discuss is course content. So Bhasha Pravesha is the one of the streams for learning Sanskrit from Sanskrit Bharati. And if you want to know more about this, you can actually always watch the previous video of introduction to the courses. So we are just starting with the Bhasha Pravesha here. So that's a course designed for the beginners, and it mainly focuses on the spoken Sanskrit. So that means all the basic necessary things which you need to know to speak or converse in Sanskrit, and it covers almost basic vocabulary which you use to converse, and as well as some simple grammar things which you need to remember to converse in Sanskrit. Plus, we'll also get introduced with many verbs and verb forms and various tenses, of course, like how do you express a sentence in present tense, past tense, and future tense. And along with that, we'll also learn a lot of other tips or maybe other few grammatical concepts to make your language simple and easy without so you'll be able to create Sanskrit sentences without any grammatical errors. And of course, similar to wave forms, we'll also be learning all the noun forms. So they are actually called as vibhaktis in Sanskrit. So you'll also get familiar with all the vibhakti forms, and you'll also get to know about various genders and vibhaktis and singular, plural, and there's some in Sanskrit we have something called dual, that is only for two. So all these special things we'll be learning on basic noun forms, and there are few grammatical suffixes. We can call it as a special suffixes or maybe regularly used suffixes to give maybe a special meaning from the verb root. So there are a lot of suffixes in Sanskrit, but we are going to cover most needed suffixes which we need to know while conversing in Sanskrit. So all those grammatical suffixes we'll be learning in this course. And definitely, if you want to build Sanskrit sentences, you need to know the vocabulary of that language. It is not just with Sanskrit, for any language. So in that way, this course would definitely will be a foundational for you to build the vocabulary for all common things. And we'll also learn how to look up into the dictionary and get to know the find out the right Sanskrit word for the specific things. And we'll also have some exercises around all these areas as well, right? So finally, we'll also cover some grammatical tips which you need to remember while speaking, and similarly we'll also have exercises in the form of written and as well as in the spoken form, right? So this is the overall content which is completely which are actually covered in Bhasha Pravesha book, and that's what we are going to study in this course. And this is mainly meant for the beginners, and it doesn't you don't need to have any prior knowledge of Sanskrit for this course. And the entire course will be conducted in English, and we'll generally, the style of this course is we generally start the course in English, and over the period we slowly transform our class into, say, a Sanskrit class. Even the explanations would be in Sanskrit. Definitely you will be able to follow that. Okay, that's about the course content. And what's the outcome of this course? um, the outcome is very simple. So you'll get to know, definitely it will you will have good foundation for the Sanskrit, and you'll also know all the basics of Sanskrit and sentence creation and other stuff, and you will be able to understand and converse in Sanskrit, simple Sanskrit, without any grammatical mistakes, of course, with the co-students or friends. Plus you can also interact in the class in Sanskrit itself, right? So that's the outcome of this course. And you will also be able to read some shlokas or stories which are written in very simple Sanskrit. So there are again some Sanskrit magazines, and we also have many stories and subhashitams coming up in this course material. So we'll all try to read them, and we'll get familiar with the style of Sanskrit language, and that would definitely help you to read all the simple shlokas and stories from various materials like Sanskrit magazines, right? And next is definitely this would also help you to clear the Pravesha exams of Samskrita Bharati, if you are targeting for, or maybe the similar level exams from any other institutions. So that's the overall course outcome, and definitely this would be a foundational course for you to start with this language. We already know that it actually starts from 22nd April 2021, that's on Thursday. And you might be interested in knowing what's the duration and timings of this course. So generally we will have 2 sessions per week, and each session would go up to an hour, and sometimes we might extend based on the concepts or the topic we discuss. So generally 1 to 1.5 hours is the typical duration of one session. So in that case you need to spend minimum 2 hours per week on the online live classes. And these classes would happen on every week on Thursday and Friday from 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. In case if it extends, it might extend maybe half an hour based on the topic we discuss, and any changes on this default schedule would be informed to all the registered students. And in case if you want to have some additional classes based on this time, we can actually decide when if you want to have additional classes, or if we are canceling some classes due to some reason, the students would be notified on that. And the entire course would approximately take 6 to 8 months, starting from 22nd April. And along with that, it's just not 2 hours or 3 hours on online classes, but it is always good and recommended to have offline practices of this language, either in the form of small group on a Telegram to converse in Sanskrit, or maybe some offline exercises, or maybe you can work out some workbooks. You can actually work out exercises of the Bhasha Pravesha book, or maybe you can even take up the parallel courses like a Pravesha or Gita Sopanam level 1 along with this course. So the more you spend time and the more you plan the things like this, the course definitely will be more effective for you. Okay, and the next is how do you attend these classes, or where do you attend? All the live sessions would happen via the conference call, and the details would be shared to the participants just before the session. Okay, and we'll also notify you on the Telegram group. And next is in case if you miss any online live sessions, you have an option to watch them offline in the YouTube, or you can also see what has happened on forum as well. So mostly you can watch the recordings on YouTube, attend these sessions from your home or office. So that's about overall these things. And if you are interested in pursuing this course, there are few things you might need to do. Let's discuss about them now. Okay, and in case if you have any queries, feel free to write them on the comment section below. We will try to respond back ASAP. And there are few actions you need to do to get enrolled onto this course and to successfully complete this course as well. The first thing is you need to do the registration. So there is a course page link, and as well as there is a forum link given in the description page here, description of this video. Or you can visit those pages and you can register yourself. So this is the course page where it talks about all the things whatever we discussed. Everything is actually captured here. All you need to do is you need to create an account if you have not done already. Create an account and log in with that account, and after login you can click to enroll this button. So that would actually enroll you on this course. So you would get further notification if there are any announcements from our side. You will be get notified. That's first thing we need to do. And second thing is you also need to register on the forum if you have not done it. So you need to visit forum.sanskrit.today, and after visiting there, you need to log in. If you have already created an account, you can directly log in, else you need to create an account. So this account is completely different than sanskrit.today, so you need to create a separate account on forum. After creating that, in the course section on the home page, all the courses are listed here. You can just click on Bhasha Pravesha level 1, and this is a place where all the discussions of this course would be held. And currently we have only one discussion thread, announcements. You click on it and you will see if there are any announcements on this course, you'll be seeing that here on this list. Okay, and another important thing is in the announcements, there is a following or follow button. Click the drop down and click on following button. So after choosing following, any update on this thread, you will be notified to it. It's not just for this thread, for any thread you will have this button. If you are interested on this topic, you can just follow this topic, so you'll get notified if there are any changes on or any updates on this thread. Okay, and the way, even if you have time, you can also visit other courses. Like I can go to GitHub Pravesha level 1, and you can see all the announcements happen during that course. The similar way it would happen even for us as well. So all the courses and exercises and the date and time on which the course is going to be held, and everything will be updated on this thread. Okay, similarly it will be for us, it will be on Bhasha Pravesha level 1 on announcements. And if you have any other queries, you can always start a discussion and you can post your query here as well, and this will definitely help other students as well to know the things. So that's about the forum. And after registering with the forum and the course page, next is you can join our Telegram group. The links for Telegram groups are given below in the video in the description field. The first group you will be joining is ST Bhasha Pravesha 2021 group. Okay, after joining, this is a group exclusively for this batch of students, and you can use this group to discuss anything related to this course or the syllabus, or you can discuss any topics related to this course. Okay, and another group which you need to join is the Sanskrit Today family. So this would have all the members from all the courses, or maybe all the this is a general group for all the Sanskrit Today participants. You can use this group for posting any queries, general queries related to Sanskrit, or if you need any help, you can definitely post it on Sanskrit Today family. And that's about these two groups. And the third important thing is the YouTube. You can actually subscribe to this our Sanskrit Today YouTube channel, and the link is given below again. If you visit this Sanskrit Today web page, and you can just click on subscribe. Once it is subscribed, if any new videos of the recorded sessions, they will be automatically published to your uh, in your YouTube recommendations. You would get those videos. At the same time, there is a bell button next to it. Click on it and choose all. So that means all the notifications of this Sanskrit.today channel would be published to you over the mail, or maybe in the top notification section. Right, these two are important, and this join is completely optional. All the courses, everything, all the materials and courses from Sanskrit Today are for free of cost. You don't need to pay any charges for any of the courses from Sanskrit.today. But in case if you want to contribute, you can always join by using one of these plans which suits you well. All the materials are completely available for all of them publicly. Okay, that's about this YouTube channel. And the fourth thing is the textbook. We are going to follow Samskrita Bharati's Bhasha Pravesha textbook. So you can actually go to the course page, and there is in the prerequisites there is order and buy textbook from here. So click on this link here. So it will take you to the Samskrita Bharati's website. So this is a book we are trying to learn as part of this course. Okay, and either you can order this book online, or you can actually, if you have contacts, or maybe if you know the regional Samskrita Bharati office, you can even visit directly and get the book from there. So it's up to you how do you get it, but I would recommend you to buy a book instead of using any online copies. Okay, and that way we can actually contribute to Samskrita Bharati as well. So that's the fourth item you should not miss, and that's a very important. And ensure that you get the book before the session, or in case even if you miss to get for 1 or 2 weeks, that's fine actually. But I prefer you to get the book ASAP. And fifth one is if you see the book here. So it's everything is in Devanagari script. Okay, it's this book is completely with the Devanagari script. So they don't use any English or any other language. So unlike in the correspondence course books, you can actually choose the language, either English or Kannada, Telugu or Tamil or whatever it is, right? You can choose the language, and you can see all the explanation in your preferred language, along with the Devanagari script. But here for Bhasha Pravesha, everything would be in Devanagari script. Okay, but don't be scared. It is very easy script to learn, and I would recommend you to start learning the script. And we have a lot of materials, a lot of videos on learning the Devanagari script. You can always start that, and definitely you would be able to learn the script within a week or two. And the more you practice after that, you'll get familiar with that script as well. Okay, you can probably before the session you can actually start learning the script, and during the session, by more we practice that script, you'll get more fluency in reading and writing. Okay, maybe we can actually discuss more about the plans on learning the script, but this is essential for going through the course. But this is a very easy script. Yeah, and that's the fifth one. And in case if you still have time, you can actually start going through the beginners course of our Sanskrit Today. If you go to our YouTube channel page, and in the created playlist section, you can see that Sanskrit for Beginners by Ashok. So this is you can actually start watching through these videos. This would definitely help you in picking up the language. This is again explained in English, and these classes were taken maybe 3 years ago. It's a 2017 sessions. Okay, so the last option is it's a kind of optional. If you are more dedicated, if you want to learn, so the last option is last sixth one is optional. If you are interested and if you have time before the session, you can actually go through this, or even during the session also you can actually parallelly go through this beginners course. So these are the 6 things you need to do before the first session. Hope you are clear, and if you have any queries on any of these, you feel free to post them in the comment section. At the same time, you feel free to ask any of them in the Telegram group as well. Okay, so with that, I'm almost done with the content what I wanted to share. Feel free to share this video with your friends and all interested people, so they can also join and learn along with you. And finally, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching this video online. Let us meet in that first session. Dhanyawada.